If you're experiencing login issues with VyprVPN, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you're unsure about your password, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the VyprVPN app. Check for updates in your app store and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 4. Disable VPN/proxy settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to VyprVPN's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with VyprVPN effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.